uSteve oku-Platinum Stars ngivani athamba to Ace Makhasmane uCharo siya ku-Platinum Stars sofuna ugym yo-trial angiyamthola uSteve la basiyafika la sicela ukujima basale but there's no way plus abasazi yangithola mangifika la ngiyabona ukuthi ayi la akukho sharp fine go there basalela ukujima we went there again tomorrow no Ace that day but hi bafethu no we can't next week ngithathe back sengihamba ngi1 ngiringe nabo ngikhulume noSteve ngiringe nabo bathi hayi xoka mnikezeni izinto angichange lapha ya abangayi izinto ngichange ngene ngiqala into yami mbo hayi ngijima 2 weeks guess what bangibiza bathi what ngena ku doctor medical doctor papa sharp ngibuyele ejimini ngithola engenza iflop hayi lo mutlo bekakithi uyahamba lo mutlo bla yangithola but abangitsheli story because mase ngizobela ejimini the next day lama coach besifana nawo mfana bangijikele cabanga ukuthi ejimini angisadlali manje angisadlali so ngayipick up ngathi bengamalanga ngiyodlala yeah so lezana zingiphuzile
bakumoshile
yeah wenze bathi ngingasabuyi and ngilokho ngiza kanje ngiyashisa but hayi ungasabuyi
Sanibonani bafethu sibuyile bafethu sibuyile ku HPNS sibuyile bafethu ngesivumvum siyankoloda part 2 ya kaGrootman Manelo Bongani
uphakathi
bafethu Bongani phakathi guys thank you for the support, thank you for the comments, the engagements on social media. Sikhona la ku TikTok, sikhona la ku Facebook, sikhona la ku YouTube. Continues subscribing and supporting and liking bafethu siyabonga Grootman ngiyabonga ukuthi ushaye round
sure
for the second time
sure
yeah man I really appreciate ngicela nje kancane nje in short utshele nje abantu ukuthi konje uGrootman ubani because khona abanye ababonanga ku part 1 probably so manje maybe baqala lana so just nje in short nje
okay firstly ithi start ngokubulisa nje ngithi bonjour comment allez-vous tous aujourd'hui je m'appelle Manelo c'est Manelo so igama Manelo Bongani ngibuye Phiri I'm an ex professional footballer and I've played for teams like Manning Rangers. I was part of a SuperSport United Academy as well. You know, I've traveled to overseas, FC Copenhagen at Denmark. So it's been my thing from the early stages, number 6, young tall. So yeah, dlalile kasi kuma tournament. It has also been my dream to dlala disc. So yeah, I fought and so yeah, I'm grateful for the opportunity. But it's not only opportunity. I had to dig deep. I had to fight because I had invested so much time, I think, and energy at skin. So ngumuntu webhola mina through and through. So mawubona mina nje ubona idisc. So ngidila nangentwana kasi yangithola. So nje I'm a football person nje or sports person period.
Yeah. Idisc isegazini.
Yeah, isegazini madala.
Yeah, sure. So manje njengoba vele sicedelela vele. Silanda manje. Mina ngagcina njengoba usitshela vele ukuthi boPhethu Williams Grootman grand umgayila amaflower wakhe if you still want to give him his flowers can still give him awusitshele nje from lapho after injury yakho from Manning Rangers and then uhlangana naye mawuzuphola uhlangana neGrootman until ufuna ne team uthi kambe kanjani but otherwise also please don't forget to touch base kule academy SuperSport ukuthi ungene kanjani kancane yabona into ezinjalo.
Okay, as in, to link up the story, gosh, let me just go back to we SuperSport Academy. So what happened is there were trials with SuperSport. So we an academy. So we're the first group. It was called back then Reserve League. So we went for trials, but we say Louis Potter Street or Louis Potter, not Gomor, Alex Sharp, Besida we went there ebesibabaya yo majita seGomora khona majita seSoweto. You can imagine Tembisa, Davidton, you can't wonke lamakasi, they were there because amajita siyazana. Yangithola after trial iqhubeke, by then ngidlala center back yangithola, but then center back yo khohla mfana kune quality kuphela. If I still remember intwana kaPapi Khomane uMehli uBarres uMehli intwana kaPapi Khomane younger brother, he plays a center back. He was there. Obo Benson Mhlongo masesidlala ke, they were there as center back. So during a trial, and then I opted for a right wing because my position mfana call machita
Facile.
yeah call. So I went for a right wing, and then I played ngadlala sharp bang select. I think kulas 50 I was part of the players that were selected. I think they were needing about 30 to 35 players. And then unfortunately I didn't make the cut. Young tall bang cut. Young tall. It's a Sunday. I'm a trial, it's a Sunday bang cut. Angibuyele endlini angitshela umagogo ukuthi izinto zami azibhopha ngafedi angithola athi akuna stress angiprepare igawulo so ngihleli la stupini edladleni ngiyagawula ngiyakhala mind you like because it meant so much for me ukuthi ngibe part yale academy, so like ngiyakhala like literally I'm like ngiyakhala ngiyadla ngiyakhala abo ma 5 minutes nyada kungena out yamba to Thando, so nayo bedlala team bathi P-removers angithola hayi amangeno angithola ngiyakhala nelo sikambani ngithi ayi bangikhathile da dog, so angisabuyeli da angithola hayi string hayi sharp. Next week nithi laba bayahlanya laba laba bayangihlanyela laba bagula hayi laba bangazi kahle nyabangena second time around ngilandele nye Grootman, so le Grootman balibiza uPeli uMelusi, so i-coach, so bekazana nabo Kop bokwanele Kop, so ngimlanda ucoach Pele ngimtshela ukuthi ayinhle kuna Grand Sharp da bangayanga a fair chance. I didn't play my normal or usual position as a center back, so I had to play as a winger, and I mean I'm not a traditional winger, I'm a center back. Young tall, fine at height, akuna stress. I see it down sibathola bokop ngivana ngetrans fika baje la lo muntu odlala center back and wakhuphe udina nimphangi opportunity sharp, but I sicela buye Tuesday ngiye da mamela ngene Tuesday ngidlala center back ke manje center back ngidlala bathi hayi lo muntu lo right lo muntu lo right, so bangithatha, so benza ama teams ayi2, so there's a team B, there's a team A, so a team A reserve A kunabo Benson abo Mehli abo Tumeleng Sikhwale amachita banje ngiyakhohla munye wase Gomora, thina so bangifake ku B team, so A team coach uKwanele uKop, and then the A to be coach I forgot the guy's name ngiyamkhola nje igama lakhe, so besiku B team asengisayinile kumele ngidani clearance yamanje teamini yasekasi bangayi clearance bokwi team kaMzereo, so bangayi clearance Pyramid Bucks bangayi clearance. I went there, then ngiyasigna sharp ngiyadlala sengiplay 2 months 3 months down the line vice captain.
Nice.
2 months 3 months vice captain sengiyadlala sengiright bangisuse ku, so masithatha ukudlala, so normally bokudlala i-team A bokudlala i-B qala, then bese kudlala i-A team, so I will play ku B team and then bese athi ucoach Kop ungakhumuli, I'm going to use you for a team if maybe one of the defenders gets injured, so always be ready. Ngathi okay sharp, then yes lokho sidlala, and then first team benokuza ke, but then I think boku coach, I think boku Pitso sidlale nabo yangithola, we train nabo first team yangithola, so besezana namajita yabo nini sambile so jima nabo first team ngoba bese Pretoria, so we go there, so kanjalo up until ngiyabona ama chance ukuthi sidlale ku first team, so sonke nabo Benson now ayi mancane ama chances phela Benson I think you are Benson Mhlongo uya ku Santos if I'm not mistaken, uya ku Santos Benson, and then uMehliyo walimala amachita baya. I think baba promoter iplayer eli-1 back then. And I couldn't book a umfana nje Richard he played as a winger, but then bam converted to a center forward. So yeah, no Tumelenge Bosikwale yangithola. Then the rest zange basign yangithola. Then uqasela phansi VA ukubuyela eKasi. Yeah, ngibuyela ku Rock.
Sayibhuqwini.
Ngibuyela Rockville Morning Show. Ngikula Mahotman la.
Mahotman abotebo
umlo yeah, ngibuyela kubo via Bruce Ramokgadi, Bosepo Mlatedi ngibuyela kubo via yabo still learning the game. Qala from zero ke VA. Yangithola up until kuvele i-opportunity ye-tournament, imantos tournament.
Yeah, njengoba vele basuza amaHotman.
Thole opportunity ukuthi bangicove da.
Yeah. All right. No, akuna stress. Manje ke awusitshele ke sesike sakhuluma ngazo lezi ezinye ezilandelele after. Obviously you went to iDynamos wayo trial pre-season story balanda umgababa yamthola kwaba ilento waya ku Main Rangers. Fika ku Main Rangers Steve Kompela yangithola then you played mawuqeda ukudlala injury played for like 2 years kwaba injury then from lapho was struggle ukuthola team lena le wathola uMark Williams waya nawe up and down from lapho wayenzakalana team ke wayithola njengoba ubhizi noMark Williams
from lapho nyangabuya and then I got an opportunity yokudlala eKasi Vianney and then I went to FCAK so obviously tournament and then I joined FCAK and then sahlala isikhathi bangasikhafi and stuff yangithola yangithola
oh you were there that time
was there and then what happened
bona bobanda vele mostly because bukwa machita buya ku PSL vele
FCAK machita benginawo da obo Rafik Yasim obo Lucky Maselesele usibandlo machita baya man benginawo da yeah Usema Khalifa he came through to join azojima nathi bo Innocent Tsume Ernesto van Kapuenda yeah machita baya nje ngidlalile nawo yangithola so I went there and then I signed but then I struggled with injury yangithola and then I back then bangasikhafi ukuyeka kwami ke yangithola after almost 6 months I think without
mara bese bakhafi for how long so uthole salary how many months before
I think to be honest and fair I think I was only paid once or twice if my memory serves me well I think once or twice
serious
yeah so there is serious issues financial issues
but both signed a contract how many years
I think it was 2 years and
it was not only you or bekanenkinga yes
generally the entire team
should bekangekho lo emasayidini bebanokuthi bathi hayi bamba kanje uthula ungakhuluma
but you know maybe it's contest njalo ebholweni but
ngoba ngiyazi ediskini izikhona
but at the end of the day it affects the team morale ngaba 1 or 2 or 3 but it affects the unity you know the cohesion of the team if maybe the rest of the players aren't being paid it affects even the team how in terms of your ability to perform but also you are a family man and you see in the management of family affairs you've got decision making financial decision making there are bills to be paid we've got kids
and that time bukusaqele la ideng ukuthi FCAK
inenyuku
abantu abadlala ku FCAK bahola inyuku ebhaya bahola inyuku efana nala machita adlala ku PSL mara that time when amawungena buyithole in how many years or how many months ikhona iexista iFCAK because bekunala idea ukuthi man labantu banemali everyone ufuna ukuya
but babona ukuthi bose bengasafani because amachita la abewe ku FCAK bebedabo for example abengibakhumbula yabo Lifa Mkhayila la machita yasuka ku Pirates ayajoina iFCAK bebengasekho it was a new team basically a completely new team yangithola and then they had serious issues ngendaba zokubhadala ama players
but leyo 2 months leyo mabakhafa isalary ya 1 month beyibonakala nje yakhona or athi ithi contract akhona bo that time bo ngayicompare nala machita wadlala ku PSL vele.
But funny enough, that I think I only got paid once or twice. The mali ebengithola, I think it was twice. It was twice more than the money that I got mangu PSL.
Yeah.
So
it was true. So it was true.
Yeah, it was true. Yeah, so in your thola ku FCK compared to ngithatha ku Rangers. Yeah, but twice. Yeah, twice. Unfortunately, ingene once or twice after lapho.
So but besides to compare maybe ne Rangers, let's say we compare nabo Sundowns Chiefs nabo banibani, la machita waziyo adlale maybe lapho kulawo ma team. Now bangasho ukuthi vele FCK behafa more than la team.
You can't compare your big three against your a team that's playing in the first division. Big three, you are guaranteed which you'll get your money, you'll get your signing on fee, you will be treated like a true professional. So FCK, it was a once-off thing with that guy. I think you are telling you there was no other income stream basically to feed off or to assist him in terms of managing the finances, the admin part, the management part, and the office part, everything. So I think let me start this.
The way excitement, we don't understand.
Yeah,
because it requires a lot.
Yeah.
And then we expect you to run a team.
My brother Peg, there's a team ku PSL. They finished third ku Glad Africa Championship, first division. They finished third. They went for my playoffs the next season. They went for my playoffs. Listen to me carefully. They went for my playoffs, but they finished third. My playoffs la machitala. Not your peg. My playoffs now. In 4 matches. In 4 matches, my playoffs, they conceded 13 goals in 4 matches. In 4 matches, they considered 13 goals. That team, I won't mention the team. But guess what? Guloma playoffs now against Ajax, the then Ajax Cape Town. The first quarter of the game, I think it's 18 minutes, they already considered 5 goals. Including is 5 goals. 5 goals. Total number of goals considered is 13 goals. 13 in 4 matches. Playoffs. Guess what? Next season, they are part of a top flight football. Bagu PSL. So what happened is that they even got an opportunity to compete for the MTN 8. So they stood a chance of pocketing 8 million. Mind you, Kuma playoffs, they considered 13 goals. They didn't qualify. They didn't work hard to be part of a PSL or a Premier League, but they bought status. As a Vets. If Vets, they were part of the top 8. So that team, they became part of the top 8. We are told. That same team, they changed ownership twice from Venda to Petersburg. A team yaphela. You know why? Because money. Because the financial management part of it was not up to scratch. So ngibuyela kule zami kuyisho manje ukuthi hey lo muntu uthola imali, hey what it's the same thing ngitshela yona ukuthi the reason why PSL sometimes is not that competitive. We've got teams who didn't really work hard to be part of PSL there to buy a status. So yeah, I wanted to answer that question.
Yeah.
Which indaba ze ungayibuy team, it's fine. But in more consequences because you didn't really work hard to be PSL. You bought the status. Ngiyangithola njengalo team ngizoyisho TTM. Yeah, true. Imagine a team edlala ku first division next season ku PSL. But ku top 8 mind you. I'm a team obedlala the previous season. They're not even part of the top 8. What happened to that team? Yeah. At some point they had 2 or 3 players a benching. So into zibhaya.
Yeah, zibhaya.
Yeah, it's a lot. That's a lot. So indaba imali ebudiski nje, it's not only about money. You need to have brains for football. So a lot of people who are involved in football, they are not football people per se. They are there because probably some they speak better or connection.
Yeah.
But but football, it's internal.
Sure.
Football, it's God-given talent. It's internal. Football will never be business. People are saying football is business. Football is spiritual, my man.
Yeah.
You live football, you eat football, you think football. Football, it's life. So, I'll tell you something. It's not
Yeah.
football.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. So,
Asifane lapha.
yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
Manje, from FCK njengoba ugcina ungasa game then kwenzakalani?
Tukutshele ke FCK yasikwenza after lapho. I'll share the story with you. Sharp FCK kuyaphela. Done. uSteve oku Platinum Stars. Ngivani athamba to Ace Mahasman uCharo. Siya ku Platinum Stars so funa ugym, yo try. Ngiyamthola uSteve la Platinum Stars by then asinabo bani? Nabo Shavuli, Jabu. Obo OJ Uda. Ban outle Dylan Shepard Uda. Lefa Mkhaila bada. Asiyafika da sicela ukujima basale. But there's no way. Can't. Diyabali but I can't. Plus abasazi ngithola. Abanye
Ukompela bese kada.
yeah, order so sile lapho sicela ukujima but obviously yazi sometimes not easy to reach him ngithola. So kunabanye abantu manje.
Sure.
Ngithola it's not easy so kumele naye akufani nje kulama ama team
Yeah,
like
sure.
la ku Dynamos kubona nangu ngiyakhona ukubona ukukhuluma naye. So mangifika da ngiyabona ukuthi ayi la akukho sharp.
Ejimela va that time.
Yo yini ndawo le Platinum Stars bajimela
Bengekho Rustenburg.
hayi barelocatile bebengaphi
Bewa ngayi.
There's a
Taxi Motor Fontaine.
yebo wena mnandi
Yeah, ngiyacava yeah.
yes da Babzin 100%.
Yeah.
It's fine, go there basalela ukujima. We went there again tomorrow no Ace that day but hi bafethu no we can't. We won't give an opportunity to train with us because nama players are by young told Sharps will move. Hi. Next week ngithathe back sengihamba ngiyi-1.
Ay wodile ukuthi Thailand okuvana bashika.
Ngihamba ngiyi-1.
Amadlozi awafaka.
Hayi ngihamba ngiyi-1 no.
Idlozi lakho lifuna uvaye uyi-1.
Angivaye ngiyi-1. Angifike la ngiringe nabo ngikhulume noSteve ngiringe nabo bathi hayi coka. Mnikezeni izinto angichange lapha ya.
Mara bakukhumbula ukuthi bowulala last week.
Bangikhumbula kahle it's fresh phela. It's fresh in their minds. I was there the previous week and then it's the same guy. Yabona. Abangayi izinto ngichange ngene ngiqala into yami mbo anyadlala lapha yana sharp ngifit right.
That time ucenter back ubani la ku.
Center back obo OJ obo Leaf obo Mkhaile they are there.
Jiba ngisadlala phakathi. Because mostly uke wathi career yakhe masengathi ya
Osho bayampushela ku central midfield.
Yeah.
Hayi lapha yana bekadlala as center back.
Okay.
Bekhona nje amachita bhaya nje abedlala center back. If I'm not mistaken, uVellem Jackson he was a player coach if I'm not mistaken. Bekadlala naye.
captain.
Yeah, I think bekaba involved in terms of assisting yabona tactically and tactics ngithola because
Because akaRabutla.
yeah, because he's been there ngithola yeah.
Same thing akaRabutla I think. Lo bekadlala kuJomo Andrew Rabutla. Na bekuyiplayer
Yes.
mase kuntswembu bathi Grootman belitha isibale ngena uyoshaya ibhathu.
Yeah. So same thing.
Alright.
Yeah, sharp. Ngijima 2 weeks guess what? Bangibizi.
Bakutekela.
Hayi ngiyothatha i-medical and mawuthatha i-medical uyasign.
Yeah, sure.
Ngiyoyenza i-medical.
Esa.
Sengihamba nya ku doctor ngithola. Doctor anyafika la ku doctor bayangishaya ngigrand.
Injury seyishapha.
Yeah, ngigrand angifeel next. Bashaya bayenza. Hayi ngishap.
Oh.
Oh ngigrand. Yangithola. Ngibuya ku medical bayajima amajita la. Mina bangikhiphile ngi1. Bathi what? Ngena ku doctor medical. Obviously manje medical.
Uyazi ukuthi asekuseduze.
Uyosayina. Hayi kuseduze
Uyatekela.
uyatekela. Na fine hayi ngene la. Doctor papa sharp ngibuyele ejimini. Ngithola. Engenza iflop. So iflop engilenzile. So there was an inner voice that said to me, Manelo, on Saturday there's a friendly match that was arranged between Platinum Stars and FCK. And FCK was mangihamba because bebengasibhadalanga ngithi. So ngiyengahamba namajita bhayi. so obvious this umoya yangithola ukuthi asivayanga sharp and what yangithola. So manyodlala inhliziyo yami ishila don't go there. So there's a voice, don't go there, because la bantu nodlala nabo, they know you and bangazama ukumosha.
Yeah.
Guess what? Because we are a trialist. Yeah, I'm right. Because we are a trialist. Awufuna ukumisa ama-friendly games. Because that's the only opportunity ne-coach ifuna ukubona uyangithola. Fine. So by then Steve Bangeka ngazibheka egroup. I went there, we played ngadlala sharp how much days a game. Hey, you look fit, you've done well. Let's go FCK. So da bangiphuze da ke ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo bekakithi uyahamba lo muntu lo bla 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 yangithola but abangitsheli istory because mase ngizobela gym in the next day lama coach besifana nawo mfana bangijikela cabanga ukuthi egymini angisadlali manje angisadlali so ngayipick up ngathi bengamalanga ngiyodlala yeah so lezana nje ngiphuzile
akumoshile
yeah wenze bathi ngingasabuyi and ngilokho ngiza kanje ngiyashisa but ungasabuyi so iyaphela lapho ke indaba ye
platinum
indaba ye idisk ngilichinde da ane chinde da and then ngacasela phansi ngelive yami kena and then ngayo volunteer ku some organization but Southern Theatre Initiative BISATI. So just went there to learn about indaba administration. Bengicela ukuvula organization. So now I had my own institution, but it's South African Soccer Initiative. So it's a community-driven project, basically that uses football or sports, to try and fight social ills, but also use this project as a tool or a vehicle for, I would say, social integration and social cohesion, but use the organization as a social change, So I started my own NGO, South African Soccer Initiative, Eva Sharp, got funding. Then I started a tournament. I'm learning the skill how to really administer and manage projects or events. So they will show me when you're running a project, there's a financial aspect of it, there's a narrative aspect of it. So you need to match the two, then we'll have a project because you have to plan, you have to organize, you have to evaluate, you have to monitor, you have to do your reporting and stuff. Sharp. And then I learned those basics. And then it's Katmasia World Cup, South Africa, Yafika, 2010 World Cup, everyone is crazy about World Cup, blah, 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 blah. Now I'm saying I'm looking for my own garden. Okay, I'm here. Ngifuna ukwenza 1 2 3 4. Apply ngithola opportunity esigele, safa ingafele after World Cup. After World Cup, safa ingafele ngiyostudy sports administration, ngithola sports administration ngibe mchocho through FIFA Legacy Trust Fund. Ngithola ngipophe ngisharp ngibhizi ngapha ngama tournament ngeproject engiyenzayo isasi ngithola is doing well, and then skathi masiye we decided to extend the project and included the development of schools because we thought good it's really wise to really invest in school sports because sports basically it started school so and then we went to that sphere that space and also working with schools, so we organize a tournament, netball, I'm doing HIV and AIDS, and you must understand this is all new. This is all new, so it's totally a new field for me, But then I'm grasping a lot of things. I'm learning. I want to improve. I want to grow. But I don't want to be a cast and just chilling a cast. I said, Manelo, you need to find something to do. And then ngirana leyo project leyo isasi ngapha iskele sengigrandi isafin khafele ngishapu ngithola an opportunity venya kwenye institution but D14 Johannesburg Central School Sports. They are dealing with schools in terms of your not only sports, but the cultural part of it, music, young told there's values and education where they're teaching abantwana the importance of how to instill values young tola young tola using programs young tola. So I was part of that space, and then that's when now I started growing, as a person, to understand my dynamics. So okay, when you are running projects, you need to have 1, 2, 3, 4 sharp right manje, and then ngiqhubeke ngama-project ngilokhu ngenza ama-project egazi ngenza ama-project uyangithola. So up until kube ne-COVID ibulale zonke izinto no funding and what I want ivala, because now to keep the organization active or registered, you need to have programs. So without funding, then it became a serious issue, and then we closed shop, unfortunately. But ekasi ama teams asekasi mangaya no ekasi again, if they've benefited through my projects. Like ama attire basase now egele I will go and donate equipment. I'll go and donate equipment, and mind you, is qhelelene. So I walk like ngihambe ngiyodonate. Then magune tournament intwana ama under 9 ayadlala kune program yabo, I donate ngiyabanikeza
Kune team mara bokusipana nayo amajita.
Yeah, team ebengisipana nayo uyangithola bebengincedisa uyangithola bongila obo Joseph Kibe udlalele kuthanda Zulu Royals uyangithola abo Timer yeah baningi nje amajita uyangithola amajita ediski uyangithola. Yeah, and then project lokhu rana, giving back to the community uyangithola. And then yeah, so kwabe life yami ke after disc. Would must find something to do. So yeah, into lokho bengibhizi ngayo uyangithola. So we ended up forming ama teams ekas A2 uyangithola kakhulu PSG lenye bese khona PSG, it's PSG team yakhona. So mangithola izinto ngiyavaya ngibagaye mangiphandile ngapha, there's a netball team mangithola izinto like last nyanga ayishawela there were team abanamabhola, so I went there to donate ama netball like to that team. There was another team futhi yasephire bathi netball Fates, I think Fates 11 or something netball. I donate now. So yeah, so nje sports has been my thing fana semzini when I clubs in. Yeah.
So manje uchunani manje usaqhubeka ngadayiling.
Okay, so no, I've started an online project, but one man, one ground with Manelo, where I get an opportunity to engage the coaches and then school challenges. And for an example, you see, I think I'm a coach's ekasi. What I'm going to say to you now, I think I am informed by my challenges was ekasi, young tall, and I just feel that I'm a coach's as ekasi. They are not well supported, young tall. I think there's no connection between grassroots, because if you check it, grassroots football and professional football, we share the same common values. Our objective basically is to create growth opportunities for our players, young tall. But not to pay some coaches, they have to fend for themselves, unfortunately. And more to pay they are performing. I will even consider which they're performing welfare duties, social welfare duties, because when you're a coach, grassroots coach, you are wearing so many hats. You are a psychologist, you are an educator, you serve multitudes of essential roles, young tall, like you are a role model, you are a safety officer, you are a values educator. So and you must understand when most of these kids, they come from dysfunctional family backgrounds. Most of these players or kids, they come from addictive family backgrounds. And you should understand one thing, Papi. addiction is a norm. Addiction is a norm. It's normal, guys. So our kids, guys, they're exposed to
Substance abuse.
yeah, and like criminality, like vandalism, like there's unemployment, there's
Drugs.
there's alcohol abuse. I'm told. So when you are dealing with kids, as a coach, guys, it's the same thing that is happening to Munapuleng Saleng. You see what happens to Munapuleng Saleng. I have to go back there because I'm trying to. There's a link between Munapuleng Saleng Manj. He needs to be given an emotional and mental support, not football coaching. No, because I'm thinking the mental health or mental hygiene is a top priority, Manj. And players, a lot of players, they are struggling mentally. So the objective now as Abantaba involved with sports, I would say for me, it's to encourage development, the mental and the psychological competencies. Now, the goal now we should be focusing more on how do we help this guy mentally? Because when you're dealing with us, Nkrumah as a footballer, as a coach, as Mutukwele Polen, you must understand footballers in general, they've got emotions, they've got thoughts, they've got moods, they've got feelings. So you don't deal with a footballer first, you deal with a human being. Hence, you find coaches like Pito Musiman. Coach Pito Musiman, there's Pito, the football coach, there's Musimane, the activist. Because if you pay coach Pito, you pay Machita when you get a second chance, Machita pay, apay. Beninto zabe besesingahlangana but ukhona wenzani to give them a second chance and more to ulandela the history eka coach Pito at time go Super Sport. He was not only a football coach, he was a financial advisor as well. Young told trying to capacitate Amachita with financial management skills, financial governance, how to manage your financial affairs. So it's not only, I'm telling you, football now, it's taking a direction where 70% it's human interaction, human contact. It's about interpersonal relationships between the coach and the player. So 70% and 30% is your tactics or your team tactics, your football tactics. Can we defend? Can we attack? How to receive a pass? How to pass? Young Tol. It's a lot of things because when you look at Ama Pubs, even when you look at the performance indicators, besides our tactics and our tacticality we game and the physiological aspect of the game, the height, can you jump, endurance, do you have pace, the physicality, the aggression. Besides those, there are two most important elements with the 5 performing indicators for when to perform. There's the psychological element, there's a social element. Those are two. They are key. And then they are taking over more than the tactics of the game. Modern coaches now, they must have an interest in the sociology of football. Modern coaches now, they must have an interest in the psychology of football. Because it has evolved. We are dealing with a human being, not a footballer. So that's what I'm trying to address. The case Munapuleng Saleng and then the kids with everything. It's more psychological now. It's more psychological. Munapuleng Saleng, he does not need football coaching. He needs a mental. You need to, when you're dealing with Saleng, you need to become a mental health coach. Forget about the technicalities of the game because the guy is good. But he needs someone, a father figure, to say, my boy, listen, we've got issues, blah, 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 blah. Here's the right direction, young tall. So I think Ipola, yeah, it's going to that direction, man. We look at the human element more than the technicalities of the game.
Yeah. Well put. We begile. Otherwise, also, angisho remember there's someone also to go. It is kimanje ibisirate. It's business. So if sizothi so bhekana nama mental health wakho ini ayozoshaya ngesikhathi. Thina sifuni dadingi icup. MTN8 sifuni icup. Asinaso isikhathi salezo zinto. So but angisho izinto asiziboni ngokufana. So the way bengakhona mina nami ngiyayisupporta lento isho if ever kungaba leyo direction I think kungaba grand kuneyintwana ezibhaye kasi zidingayo right from the grassroots yabona zibhaya so if singakhulisa le intwana ngaleyo mentality ukuthi bafethu this is the direction mele sithathe wabona given the fact ukuthi amachita from ekasi like sikhula vele kunezinto ezibhaya from emafamilini soma ikuphi yabona kunama issues asihlangana nawo so but otherwise uringe ngeCopenhagen
Yeah.
Cela nje usitshele ukuthi khambani
Okay.
kwenzakeleni
Okay, let me give you a story. So I think besengiceda ukusuka ku SuperSport couple of months ane. So there's this lady ane. So bebengapha South Africa, she's from Denmark, young tall. So bebengapha and then they hook up with this guy that I know. I'll call him a good brother of mine. Good brother of mine. He's a friend. He's everything to me. Young tall. Bambiza ngumalo. Young tall. Bambiza ngumalo. So they organized the whole thing, which I must go overseas, blah, 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 blah. Young tall. Fine. Run around here trying to organize everything. And I'm part of the project because Gamba me young tall. Fine. I paperwork sorted. Arrangement sharp. Ngvaye. So got a plane. You connect to France, Suala or Tambo, France. Mangfige France, we plane it delay, I think 2 hours. Ane? So mailing plane, I think for 2 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes. I can't recall the exact time, but for my 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah, 1 man, young tall. So in fact, that's one of the best memories of my life because it gave me an opportunity to see the world because of the game of football. So it gave me an opportunity to really see the world. Young tall. So it's one of the fondest memories of my life in Fana Semzin. Like take nothing away from that experience on its own. Figured out Ville France. Guess what? I think we are the first people when I'm out here much spana now. Young tall to hear this story.
Yeah, sure.
Angaze ngishilo umuntu. Mangifika la guess ngiyafika ngihlela phaya nazi kuza uDiof. Yamazi uDiof. Udlala Senegal.
Al Ahly Diouf. Yeah, Al Ahly Diouf.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, uDiof. Yeah,
ngibiza right angifuni bangilahle bateyizwa le out what
yeah uDiof mina ngithi nje ngithi
asiyeke kanjani ngiyambona ngo striker ngisho
yeah uyadlala eLiverpool yeah so bekadlala nabo lapho kuSenegal beyona team leyabe strong leya defeata nabo Papa Diop abadla iFrance they had a very strong team obokhulu bali they had a very strong team obosise lo coach ku Libya manje I think he's a coach in Libya manje so they're a very strong team so ngiyambona lapha ngithi Diouf lo noma kanjani but mind you he is from a French speaking country mina ngizibuyele gazi so ngiye kuye lapha na we shook hands ngiyamtshela siyazama understandana ukuthi I'm a footballer blah 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 ngibuye South Africa mele plane have to connect in Denmark young tall sakhuluma swan kahle but sakhuluma then we shook hands young tall and
which year that time
99 2000 99 2000 lab 99 2000 2001 lab yeah. So we meet Lapayana now Diouf Lapayana and then we're having a discussion. So I'm thinking, man, if then I knew back then, if I knew he's French, I will engage with him as friends. Bonjour, Jemapel, Manelo, Jabita, South Africa, Ashanti, maybe not moi aussi, young tall. So, but then we spoke, Sakuluma, young tall, and then I said sharp now, T sharp. I think Berajale France by then. I forgot the team, maybe Berajale. Is the Montpellier? Berajale Montpellier. Or the Le Havre, I can't recall. So yeah, then my flights in the sharp ang figure Denmark, La Payana, Sabangmele, Petit Port, Bongani, Yabo. It's at least would go important just once. Guy one. Bongani, Yabo, sharp. So Beklane family. So bring the Beklane family. So Beklane family. Timer Gningo Sida Copenhagen Ngihlala family fika da sharp ke drive wasendlini after lapho bangise gymini so I think we gym first team be gym first team then we went there so see me first team lokhu gym nyambona uri usibusiso uzuma nyambona isession mamaceda kuphela so ngisiblomele nje kanje efensini yabo ngithi esibusiso
yeah,
the voice there.
Yeah.
Uyabuya ji. Yabo, ndoda ubani wena? Ubuya.
Yeah, uyezwa uDai no Italia sekasi.
Yeah, ubani wena? I just put ibone this video or a clip yangithola. Hasiza kukhuluma lapha nami nangumanilo ngubongani ngibuya eSoweto ngizo trailer la. Athi mfana uqinisa ungasabuyile eMzansi. Ungabuyeli. Make sure ukuthi whatever that you do and then we are pusha yabo sokusikhuluma ngithola then I met unkosikazi wakhe ningusi so after training nami benginokuhamba naye ayongishiya station so normally bengihamba ngetrain so bangibonisile indlela ukuhamba kanjani so bengihamba ngetrain normally yangithola ngisusa la ngikhona yongibeka eCopenhagen ke njalo etrain but uzuma bekakhona kungithatha uri akhona kungithatha ngesiklas yakhe bami ngesiklas eGroot afika ngithathe la angibeke kanjalo and then I met actually outlive sharp kanjani El Rio van Heerden El Rio so ibe kuphela bethu ama South Africans and then I got along no El Rio kakhulu yeah I think uhlala PE if I'm not mistaken PE yeah. And then
I know I remember he played for Bafana.
Yes, so we're very close again. After training, besploma, go out maybe young tall because because in Dao. And that was the best memory of my life. Uzuma da uri every match, home game, there's a song dedicated to him. Every match they will sing about Uzuma. Before Imechikala, there's a song about Uzuma. Like, forget it, in fact. Ngale, he was, I think he's a hero that side. And Bam,
on the stage, in a match.
Yeah. Yo, Ngale, mfana, he's huge, Ngale. He's big. And every match, there's a song, young tall for him. And then, made, I think, for a month, young tall. So, be looking trainer, but eventually, zange uyazi diskill njani zange sivaye sharp the way I was hoping ukuthi ngizosign young but there were other African players abekhona so yazi into lesifuna into yamakhota ukuthi we need to have this amount of players or whatever young told so it trained but nje experience yadamfana it really opened my eyes ukuthi Exen will go for a walk or a jog around CBD, Copenhagen, and Exen. And then we come back, maybe we go for lifting. Late, the technicalities of the game, man, late. So it was very intense. I remember doing to a track suit, la panama jacket, alamachitalawa. Asifakile ama short sleeve mina
yabanda
yo extremely cold it's cold yabanda it's like bengigcoka ndoda because leya weather leyana
Angijwayelanga, yeah.
angijwayelanga. It was very tough. That's why sometimes Machita adlala overseas, they have to deal with a lot of issues, not only a game on its own, but the other external influences or factors, that surrounds their progress. Mabadlala urkant, the language, the weather conditions,
The lifestyle.
the lifestyle. Because Copenhagen is incane, ikaseliwani ungasuka e-commissioner le ungene la. Yeah, strategy ungastop.
You done.
Yeah, you done. Ayifani njengeJozi. So yeah, izinto zingahlangani, but I was very happy mfana. I got an opportunity.
Yeah.
You work and get an opportunity to see different like environment per se. Yeah. So yeah, it's it was huge. Yeah, it was huge.
And the space be like a period we play that for how long?
I think I was there for I think over a month. Yeah, because there's a visa thing. Yeah. Fine, South Africa, you can come. We shall 10 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, lapayana you can't.
Yeah.
They check.
Until back take na kula vele but na improve your span.
We are span. Yeah. So into zangale mfana they are more organized and more professionally. Yeah. So yeah. So yeah, and then after Lapoge, I tried to do other things that are football related, job organization,
Sure.
and using the experience in young I told and stuff. Yeah, and then running an organization, and then working with kids, and then managing run this project, 1 man 1 ground, where interview my coaches, my challenges as a kasi, in this and stuff, young told. So yeah, Manelo lawyer.
Yeah. So injury manje injani kuwe since uke wathola injury?
Injury it's physical, but spiritually and emotionally.
Mara ungazidlula nama Grootman ayadlala ama legend.
Yeah, just get feel your disc nje touch and stuff ngithola because disc it's inborn.
Yeah,
it's into engeke ihambe into izohlala kuwe forever. So my very opportunity ukuthi ngihambe ngijoin amajita lapha yana kuzilula yabona ngaya yabo 5 minutes 10 minutes yeah.
Ngoba vele amajita manje ayazilula kakhulu futhi. So kuyafuneka ukuthi silibele nathi sikubone sizikhumbuze. Amajita odlale nawo back then, remember we had a conversation before start.
Yeah, before start ne.
Avama out mfethu.
Ama-out akhona ama-outs bayahasela uyangithola. Yeah. And they're there kasi abanye bayaphusha ubu Godfrey Mkwena Machita Yaspana Bruce Ramokadi ngokuhlangana naye Machita Yaspana Grand Simphiwe Shabalala, they are well off uyangithola. Bosiyabonga Siphika, Obo Frank Skumane, they are still there. Obo Mshin Mazibugo, Boliswa Nduti, they are still there. Young told, yeah, Machita Corn. It's not easy because transition from being a footballer and now to facing the reality. Football is gone. I think that's the main challenge. That's why Machita know it's important to prep yourself because football is a very competitive lifespan of a footballer. The way it is very short. So when you get an opportunity like La Machita Dlalayo manje, make sure you try other avenues, not only avenues income, but avenues that will
help you after football.
Yeah, boost your mental skills. Good thing for now. These projects and how do I go about it? Young told. So I'm a part-time courses.
Kahle in short isigela sibalekile.
Yeah, because Iskela, it's one of the social institutions that will help you to develop academically and sports wise. So academically, it will assist you in a long run once you're done with your playing career. So and you need to have that mentality, entrepreneurship, which once I'm done with football, what do I need to do, young tall? But also try to avoid you know, there are there are a lot of social antisocial behaviors and we have limited positive role models we are told it's tough so mentally you have to be very tough,
Very strong,
very strong and yeah, do your own thing end of the day and enjoy life, because life comes only once. You can't have a situation where like it's a complaint after complaint, young tall. So me now what I've learned 11 good, you need to find yourself first. Who is Umanelo? What do you want to do? And what are your aspirations? What are your longings? What are your dreams? What are your goals? What do you intend to do with your life? Because God gave you life, and with that life, what are you aiming to do? You know, you can't come here on earth and just be a spectator. You can't. You must come here and fight. So that's what we're trying to do, and just living a positive life. I've got a young daughter, Uslindile. She's 13, young taller. So everything that I do, I have to think about her, my conduct, my behavior, everything. I have to think about my daughter. I have to set a good example. My girl, listen, emhlabeni is tough. You have to be strong. Sometimes you have to man up. You are a lady, you are a girl, but you have to man up and fight for your space and fight for what you believe in. And you will face bullying. You will face people calling you names. Yeah, but we have to stay resolute, stay strong, and keep on, and like you fight. Because
Soldier on.
Yeah, you soldier on. Now, I never thought now. And then I think this platform, I think for me in HPNS, young tall, this is a wonderful platform because you get an opportunity to really share your struggles, your frustrations, your
Stories that you've never actually shared before.
Never, yeah, and but sitting here as well in front of the cameras, you learn. For me, it's just a learning curve because it's intimidating, and then you try to calm yourself. The last time I was saying, but
Sure.
but so we learn we learn. And football for me now, I've grown as a human being because of the game. I've become a better human being as because of football. I became a better father because of football. So I've grown so much, young tall. Some of the things, they are not luxury items. They are not your big house, a car, young tall. My success, I would say it's more internally.
Yeah, some of the things you can't buy.
It's some of the things you can't buy. Yeah, we define.
You can't buy knowledge, experience.
No, you can't. You can't. This one, there's no end to learning and discover. You learn. You try and better yourself.
Speaking of ukufunda, ne, ngikhohle ukubuza before earlier. Is French usigelezeva?
It's French. Calling time, they call this guy René Bassomo. He's from Cameroon. René Bassomo. So this is French. But now I'm also doing my own online learning. Je pratique mon français. Ce n'est pas facile, c'est un peu difficile. Ce n'est pas parfait, mais j'essayais, j'apprends toujours, j'apprends tous les jours, j'apprends chaque jour. So I'm learning every day.
But what actually influenced you to learn French? Is it football? Maybe because you thought, the traveling would have helped njengoba ushilo ukuthi njengoba boya la riding eDenmark uhlangana la ebathubani no Duof
Yeah.
if Bo was his friends that time you know it's gonna
Maybe
be
we have a very interesting conversation.
Yeah,
As a centre forward, I mean, as a centre back,
Yeah.
what makes you think strikers they need to improve on young as a centre forward? And then I will say you need physique, you need brains, you need to be calm inside the box. Those conversations like this, they're always interesting. And so I think learning, there's no end to learning. You want to learn, you want to keep learning and discover who you are. Sometimes not even about the language itself, because I can also speak a bit of Greek, Yasa, Yasu, Kalimera, Kalispera, Tikanes. So yeah, like you try, uzame nje izinto, and then don't just
mara mawungaba agent mina ngibona ngathi ungaba mjojo yazi vale nokuthi ngathi awuvilapha ukugeleza lawo ma language so kungaba easy for wena ungangenelela kakhulu and uzothi mawukhuluma nabo ngicabanga ukuthi bangakulalela but hayi le yethu le
yeah angizama babuzini zozama yeah we'll try other avenues opportunities yangithola
so awungitshele ke bonguza ngeanalysis ye writing ye MTN 8 ke ukuthi amajita wena mawe analyzer ifinal mina ngakutshela from setting la
babuzini
wena eyakho analysis
Stellenbosch their last game they lose against is the 30th of August they are playing against Mamelodi Sundowns they lost 1-0 and then they have to play a final on the 13th of September. So meaning they stayed 2 weeks without competitive football. 2 weeks. It's 13 days, but it's 2 weeks. As can get a grounding. It's 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks. But the 8th against East Sundowns, they lost 1-0, if you remember. They lost 1-0. And then they have to play a final on the 13th. And so it's almost 2 weeks without competitive football.
But the Pirates, I think...
And then let's look at the Pirates. The Pirates, they are playing on the 31st. Their last game was on the 31st against Obit. I think they won 3. Here's the tricky part. On the 31st. On the 31st. Their last game. The majority of my players were Pirates. They are in the national team.
Yeah, because because national break, international break.
So in Pirates, they had they continuity because they played on the 31st against Obit. On the 5th, Ibafana Dane Lesotho.
Okay.
So county 31 up until E5 is 4 days in between.
Okay, but bayingakho abantu bebadlala ku squad abadlalile like abatholi game time.
But the core
ukuthi beba busy.
Yes, they are there. We are told they are there. They are there with the national team. It's more organized, I would say, or it's more official because if Peggy Pirates they played on the 31, bayadlala bakhona nge5, sadlala nge5, right? 5 they are there ngithi bombokazi bombule they are there angithi bosipho China they are there police they are there angithi police they are there angithi right bayabuya nge9 against Nigeria and it's 4 days futhi from game nge5 it's 4 days sharp and bayabuya 13 it's 4 days futhi from 9 to 13
badlalile there.
Yes, so what I'm trying to tell you is that the Pirates they were bound to win MTN 8 because they had players who were playing consistently in that period of 12 to 13 days. That's my point. Then Masobuyela Pagat, what made Orlando Pirates to win the game? It's not the tactics, it's not the formation, it's not the system. They've got depth. Each and every department, they've got replacement, they've got quality players. The Pirates won the game not because of the tactics. They won the game because they had depth. They've got a huge squad and they've got quality players. There's a period where during the game when they introduce a police and no Murem. Guess what? Do you know ukuthi Pirates kuleyo game?
Mabasa.
Let's leave Mabasa.
Yeah.
Do you know ukuthi Pirates with that game? They had 5 traditional wingers. 5 traditional wingers. Kuleyo game. So what does it mean? It means they were playing on the break. They were using speed. We've checked our goals up. It's not a build-up, it's speed. So they had 5 wingers. I'll tell you now, 5. They had a left back, Uhot. They had Uli Umurem, go left. Go right full back, we had to Sibelebel. And then we had to Uban, Police. Those are wingers.
Yeah.
Those are traditional. The 5th one, Umufuke. But what happened? He was drifting in. He played as an 8 or as a 10, but they played with 5 wingers. So for me, they were bound to win that match. And in fact, on the Pirates, when it comes to cup competition, they always have a plan to remember. It takes you 360 minutes to win EMTN 8. 94. It gives you 360 minutes to win MTN 8. You play for matches. So they've got a plan. But Bona generally, they don't have a title winning formula. From match day 1 to match day 30. They don't have that. They lack consistency. Because if you go back to last season, Pirates, they had 4 major obstacles. Their Betway Premiership, it collapsed during the course of the season. Remember, we were competing Sundowns. What happened during the course of the season? They started dropping points. And then they went to the Champions League. Babzin, they went to Champions League. They play against Pyramid on the 19th of April, 2024. Instead of using Orlando Stadium, they went to play FNP. It's not their home game. It's not their home turf. So Pirates the only team that played 2 away games with CAF semi-final. They went to play Pyramids. They lost that game. Also, they lost against Kaizer Chiefs. I think Nedbank.
Yeah.
And then their coach, he had to go before he contracted Pell. So they had issues. Gumanj, they've lost their first 2. Their first,
but I'm sure maybe it's because the coach because semusha sizathini usa adjusta. First 2 games the league.
No. I get you ukuthi adjust. Vele he has to adjust. Ngithola.
But manje ngathi sekawubambile momentum
Yeah, but
plus
then,
ne cup game impostile le
but
final.
then it's late. It's PSL or Premiership, Betway Premiership. It always ends after 8th round of fixtures. After 8 games, Betway Premiership is done. It took them 8 games to win Betway.
Yeah.
And remember, we must play 30 games.
Yeah.
So it took them, the previous season, Sundowns, after 8 matches, they had 24 points. Last season, they had 24 points.
Yeah.
They had scored 17 goals. They conceded 13 goals. Let's be recent. After 8 games, they had 24 points. They scored 18. They conceded only 4. The league was done. In Pirates, the other previous season, there's a season like Pirates, first 8 games, more you compare and Sundowns. The Pirates after 8 games, in a 9 points. And you win a 2. You lose a 3. And you draw a 3. You 3 layers, lose a Stellenbosch, you Sundowns, you Cape Town Spurs. Cape Town Spurs was the first team to win against any PSL side. So after 8 games, one 9 points. Sundowns last season, after 8 games, one 24 points. They scored 17. They conceded only 3. So again, this season, we might as well congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns. Their name is already written in the Betway Premiership trophy. The league is going back to Mamelodi because the Pirates they lack consistency. There's what you call consistency. They show up in certain matches. They show up in certain matches. They don't show up in certain matches, key matches. And if you don't win your home games, you might as well congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns. If you can't win your home games, forget it. Pirates, they are struggling sometimes to win their home matches. So for me, I think Pirates and Chiefs, they are still building. And Mamelodi Sundowns, they're busy with the renovations, but busy with maintenance. They will win this league again.
Do you think i-Sundowns ingayithatha futhi this season?
Yeah, you know why it's Sundowns. The moment you dominate a transfer window, you have achieved 70% of your objectives for that particular season. 30% is your team tactics. And the Sundowns, they always make sure that every transfer window, they add one or two players in their squad roster. Young Tall. So, but they've got a formidable team. It's unfortunate that the coach Naimanje is a bit struggling because Mamelodi Sundowns, it's more cultural than structural. So there's a way of playing Mamelodi Sundowns. They've got their system. They've got their own DNA. They've got their own blueprint. You don't just go there. Mamelodi Sundowns is never a running team. Mamelodi Sundowns is a ball-playing team. They don't just win games. It's about self-expression. So if they don't express themselves, then they won't produce the results. On the other side, Orlando Pirates, it has always been a running team. That's why they're doing well, because they've got speed on their team. So, yeah.
Eish, yeah. So manje i-riding Bafana siyaya ku-World Cup.
I think every game for Bafana, it augurs well for FIFA ranking number one. Every match, it augurs well for FIFA ranking. So every match that you win, it boosts our numbers. We are able to climb the ladder in terms of FIFA ranking, number one. Number two, every team takes the personality of a coach. Every team takes a character of a coach. Every team takes a belief or a behavioral pattern of a coach. Hugo Bruce, he came in with personality, with character. And their players, they are able to buy into his ideas because he's able to stand his ground. So currently, Bafana, we will qualify for a World Cup, a USA. The chances are there. It's only...
Chances are big, actually.
Yeah, we are not there yet.
But we're almost there. We are actually there.
Yeah, I'm saying with football,
no,
with football, anything can happen, my brother.
Bafana yasha.
But
Yes,
it's only when the 3 points are inside the bag, then we can talk.
Bafana yasha. Phela manje sodlala kumele sidlale neZimbabwe. Na? iZimbabwe nani? Ayakhahlele Bafana.
Now we'll see. But I hope ukuthi see ku World Cup, and I'm happy with coach because he's introducing all these younger players, Mbogazi and particularly Mbogazi. I'm just hoping with Mbogazi he won't suffer the same situation of Thembazwane, because Thembazwane bahlulekile ukumanage both the two institutions, Sundowns ne Bafana. They couldn't manage Thembazwane in terms of the minutes or game time. With this game, let's give him 10 or 20. So I'm seeing the same thing Mbogazi, because if you check, udlala 31 against Obit. He played against Lesotho. He played against Niger. He just played a match. So they need to be very careful, Mbogazi. They need to manage. Yes, he's still young, but also excluding the traveling. They have to travel a lot within this period of time of 13, 14 days. So they need to manage Mbogazi kahle, because if they don't, he will sustain or incur unnecessary muscle injuries. So need to manage him very well. But in terms of the national team, big up. There's belief. Now we can sit and watch Bafana. You can see and you can sit and we are able to, they're trying to build from the back. Okay, they're trying to use Tebogo Mokoena as a third as a second receiver. The two fullbacks they throw wide, and then the two fullbacks they are there with center line. So you see what we are trying to do up front. We've got mobile center forward. So I'm hoping we'll regain our position one, Africa number one, and also qualify for a World Cup, but also look for someone also replace Hugo, because I'm told Gutu Zohamba once must start to qualify or something, or after World Cup. So we'll need a successor, Ega Bruce, someone who's got more personality, someone who's got more character, someone on his tunes, someone who's bold enough to say, no, this is rubbish. This is not on. I won't listen to this one. This one is talking nonsense. We are doing 1, 2, 3, 4. We are good. So we need to find a replacement sooner rather than later, so that he can integrate with the team. Start watching Bafana, young tall. Like about the Pizzo. I like Pizzo because he coached Pizzo, because he when he was at Sundowns, you remember he's the first coach to introduce the 4-2-2 formation, where he had four defenders, and they had 2 sitters, he had 2 number 10s who will throw in infield. They had 2 mobile center forward, but they didn't have width, but the width will come from the 2 fullbacks. And they were doing so well. So we need someone who will understand. With South African players, there's a way of coaching them. You have to look at their background, where they're coming from. You don't just go in there. I was listening to Coach with Pirates, his first interview. He spoke about his father, which his father is from Morocco, I think, and then he went to France to work in Mamainin, young tall, and then Bonabasala ngap. He worked wasebenza local A1, and then he later joined Adu later France. But he speaks about values, like he speaks about the drive, he speaks about the hang, because most coaches, what they do, they make a big mistake. When they join a team, they start by coaching. But if you start with your goal and what you want to achieve with your coaching, it will result in a coaching that's goal directed. You'll have objectives. So yeah, we need people like that. So yeah.
Yeah. I mean, also I wish you Mshishi speedy recovery, man. Azokwazi ukudlala nge-World Cup at least ke. Ayiplayer phela uMshishi mfethu, at least bayakhala abantu ababhaya bathi kaGroot vele manje it's time to hang up his boots, but I feel like ke makadlali World Cup.
Umshishi, he lives a clean life. Umshishi is disciplined on and off the field.
Yeah, sure, true.
So there's no doubt with once Manjaris Apol Abasharp, he'll form part of the team, because you watch Sundowns Majan, they don't look the same without Umshishi.
Yeah.
He makes them tick. He's the engine of the team. So without Umshishi, even Sundowns, they are sometimes unwatchable. But when he's there, he makes them play. He's the conductor. He's able to slow down the pace of the game. But most importantly, he's got all the attributes, the technical attributes. He can receive in tight areas. He can pass the ball. He can move with the ball. So he's
also, I feel like mele bamnikeza isikhathi ukuthi aphole man. Bamjahile.
Yeah, bamjahile
akakhulu. Mina futhi benga-expectanga ukuthi bekangadlala.
Uyabuye too early.
Bekumele relax, like bamrelaxise, relax, akhona ukuthi aphole abe-great.
Yeah, that's why bengisho ngithi Umshishi
kunamanye ama-game 10 minutes
yabo games that you don't really need Umshishi. For example, there's a game bayidlala, I think against i-Pyramids, njengoba badraw 1-0 bawin. I think badlale 1-1 i-Pyramids la home. I think badlale 1-1 if I remember the game in Pyramids. Yeah, they scored the Pyramids because then I think they won that game. They Umshishi, they didn't really need Umshishi because the score was 1-0, young told. But away, good Pyramid, they needed to start Umshishi. uyangithola ngisho ukuthini, they need to start umshini.
Yeah. So in a nutshell, coach naye mele ari situation kunamanye ama-game awumdlalisi amanye
Not only
awumdlalisi.
coach, the medical team.
Yeah, even okay, the medical
team,
yeah,
the
yeah.
technical team. They need to understand ukuthi umshishi he's almost 35, 40 lapho manje angithi 35, 36 yangithola. So you need to manage in team in terms of the game time. Kunama games akungamelanga adlale, kunama games akumele awadlale. But there are key games like for instance madlala ku Champions League against Pyramids you needed umshishi, no doubt. Because when he's there there's a huge difference. He creates, he scores, you know, he's got all the attributes of midfield. So you need him to be there.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
No, Grootman, siyayivala manje. In closing, what do you have for us? Yini into ofuna ukusitshela yona or utshele nabantu ababukele?
That in life comes once, not twice. And make sure ukuthi you get yourself in the mix because that's the only way you can win a match. Your match, my games maning. Yeah. So just put yourself in the mix. Ungablow nje kasi uhlale. Just go out and uzobona bopapi ukuthi bakhuluma ngani, kwenzakalani, yangithola.
Isolate.
Isolate, yeah.
Hlala nabantu.
Hlala nabantu, yeah. But most importantly, you must understand ukuthi life comes once. And opportunities maning la ngaphandle. You just have to go there and fight, and don't forget to pray. But most importantly, love your family. Your family, they're your cornerstone. Your family, they'll always be there for you. No man's one, you fight. It's bound to happen. So yeah, and to amachitawetiski, try and save money, focus on your lifestyle, and think about the future as well as players, and give back to the community, Ekasi, and keep fighting on. But on my side, foot, beaucoup d'amour à vous tous. Merci beaucoup pour l'opportunité. Merci beaucoup, merci bien, merci infiniment, un grand merci. Je vous remercie. Au revoir, à bientôt. Restez fort, restez calme. Au revoir, mesdames et messieurs. Oui, c'est voilà.
Yo, yeah, no, ngiyabonga Grootman man, ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ushaye round man, uvelile. Ay, shareile story sakho. Usikelezile man. I think mina ngikelezile a lot from this engagement, yabona. Kunento ezibhayi ngizifundile, so I hope ukuthi angikelezanga ngiyi-one. Even nabanye abantu abazobukela babukele, and those that we wish ukuthi bangabona some of the clips babukele this interview, yabona. Especially abozuma Msholozi, Sibusiso Zuma nabo Steve Kompela, yabona. Yeah, even nabo Mark Williams.
Sure.
We just hope ukuthi ifike kubo bazobona nabo ukuthi siyabagaya amaflower asibakhohle, yabona.
Sure.
Yeah, but otherwise into important enye uyishile ngizwile ukuthi uyikhulumile ukuthi don't forget to pray. Phila ngomthandazo, yabona. And also ungaphili uyi-one, yabona. Network phile nabantu, yabona. So I think that being said, bafethu siyabonga for the support, ni support and engagement. Sikhona bafethu ku YouTube, ku TikTok, ku Facebook. Nisitsheleni bafethu mangabe silahla iside khona la mangabe silahla khona nisitshele bafethu nilahla iside babzini no lahla iside, mara otherwise asiphileni ngomthandazo, gents and ladies. Siyabonga bafethu. Until next time.